Behind every new drug therapy is a team of experts with a passion for solving complex challenges. To drive innovation, you need the best experts working together across disciplines using the latest equipment and technologies to accelerate the path to patients. These are the experts that set Cambrex apart from other CDMOs. Cambrex's scientific experts overcome challenges throughout each phase of development while always keeping an eye on the future. We come from diverse backgrounds and have trained in academia, big pharma, startups, and other CDMOs. We're analytical thinkers and problem solvers with a passion for innovation. Driven to help our customers succeed and determined to advance discoveries, we mitigate risk and find opportunities to speed the path to commercialization without sacrificing quality. This is only possible by building a team of experts with a culture of mutual trust and respect, complete transparency, and open communication. As the right-sized CDMO for fast-growing organizations, Cambrex is small enough to collaborate closely on every project and large enough to scale. Our customers entrust our experts with the future of their molecule and business, a responsibility we take seriously. Your molecule, our mission.